Hampton Roads Transit has 2,700 bus stops across the region, spread over 6 of our host cities. So that's roughly 350 stops with either a shelter, bench, and/or trash can. There's a perception issue out there. A lot of times we'll get calls and complaints from people when they'll literally be calling hours after the stop has been cleaned to report that there's trash. And it's literally because it's a constant evolving cycle of issues. Of course, number one being trash, broken glass, graffiti, bent signs, broken signs, or missing signs. They're always something. Our shelters and our bus stops are the first things that our customers see when they enter our system, and we want that to be a positive experience.
The Am I Clean campaign is an effort to clean up the HRT amenities for everyone to have a nice ride.
They're going to be installing QR codes on shelters, on trash bins, on any kind of facilities they have, and passengers will be able to use their phone, scan that code, and then immediately report an issue. It's
a simple, easy, and anonymous way for people to report issues using their smartphone.
The trash bin is overflowing, they can report that. If a panel is broken, they can report that.
And that will send a form directly to HRT.
Then HRT would let us know that there was a situation that needs to be taken care of. And then that's when I would call our crews out to go take care of it.
We want our property to represent us in the highest capacity. We want our property to look good, clean, fresh, sanitized, just to be aesthetically pleasing to our patrons.
This is one of our big 3 initiatives for our Earth Day month.
Who wants to sit around a bunch of trash or whatnot? The customers should definitely be held responsible for keeping this clean as well, especially since we got to come here and use it.
And it also allows for positive feedback. So if the stop is clean and in good condition, that option will be there as well.
You don't have eyes everywhere, but it's like we're all working together so we can all help each other out, which lets us feel like we did our part in the community.
The public and our customers are feeling engaged and empowered to help us out in maintaining these stops. We're looking to nearly triple the number of passenger amenity stops in our systems. That's a huge amount of new responsibility for our contractors and our internal service crews, and just a lot more assets to keep track of on a daily basis.
We're here for you, and we want to provide a nice amenity for you.
To all the HRT riders, if you're out and you see some trash on the ground, just pick it up and throw it in the trash.
With us coming together, I feel like we can help each other out.
This is beautiful. It looks great. It feels great. It's very welcoming.
So it's good that the riders get a chance to use the QR code to let us know that, hey, this stop needs to be serviced, so we can turn right back around and just take care of it and get it done as quick as possible.
And now that they see somebody doing it, it's like a whole momentum.
Shout out to all the HRT cleaning crews for doing wonderful jobs at the facilities. Y'all continue to do y'all best work.
They take care of all of us, the kids, all the way to the old people. They take care of us.